It is 2 a.m. at the night. Your company's primary database just went offline. The website is down, the customers are complaining on social media, and your boss is calling on your phone. You check the logs, you restarted the virtual machine, and nothing is working. You need to call Microsoft, but here's the $1,000,000 question. Will they pick up the phone? Welcome to Chapter 12. I am Minhaj, your guide to success, and this is the Planet Tech. And today we are talking about Azure Support Plan. We are going to cover your Lifeline, what they cost, what they cover, and how fast Microsoft is legally required to answer your SOS. Let's look at your insurance policies. Every Azure account comes with support, but you get what you pay for. There are 4 main plans you need to know for the exam. Those are basic support, developer support, standard support, and last and final, professional direct. So let's get into basic support. Every single Azure customer gets this for free. But there's a catch. Basic support only covers billing and subscription issues. Exam insight. If your server crashes, you cannot open a technical support ticket on the basic plan. They will only help you if you can't log in or have questions about your invoices. Developer support. This is the cheapest plan, around $29 a month. It is strictly for testing and troubleshooting or the non-production environments. Exam insight. You only get support via email during standard business hours. If your server breaks on a Friday night, Microsoft isn't answering until Monday morning. Now, let's talk about the standard support. If you are running a real business, this is your starting line. It costs around $100 a month and gives you 24/7 technical support by phone or email. Exam insight. If you have a Severity A, critical business impact, meaning your entire company is down, Microsoft guarantees a response within an hour. Lastly, the professional dialect. This is for business critical applications where you pay around $1,000 a month. You get everything in standard plus architectural guidance, training, and dedicated pool of experts. Bonus. Huge corporations might use an even higher tier called Premier Support, which gives you a dedicated technical account manager. Now, let's say you are a basic free plan, but you still have technical problem. Where do you go? Azure provides several free resources that exam will test you on. The first one is Azure Knowledge Center. This is a massive searchable database of common questions and answers. Think of it as the official Microsoft FAQ. Secondly, Microsoft Q&A forums. This is the community hub. You can post highly specific technical questions and Microsoft engineers, MVPs, and other cloud architects will jump in to help you troubleshoot it for free. Thirdly, Azure Service Health. Before you panic and think server is broken, check Service Health. This dashboard tells you if Microsoft is experiencing a global outage in a specific region. It is the first place you should check when things go wrong. So, now you know exactly who to call or when to call Microsoft team for your support. Understanding the support plans isn't just about fixing broken things. It's about designing systems with the right safety nets in place. You are thinking 2 steps ahead, like a true cloud architect. But knowing how to call for help is only half the battle. Now you know how to actually build and manage the environment with your own 2 hands. In Chapter 13, we are going to open up the Architect Toolbox. We will look at the Azure portal, PowerShell, and how to build entire environments using nothing but lines of code. I am Minhaj, your guide to success, and this is the Planet Tech. Keep your systems running, and I'll see you in the next chapter.